Today we are going to discuss on the advantages of using seedlings versus seeds. Advantage number 1, there is good root development on seedlings raised on floating trays. As you can see, this media has assisted in the formation of these roots, making it easier for quick crop establishment when transplanting your seedlings in the field. Advantage number 2, these seedlings are already hardened, making it easier for no transplanting shock in your field. Another advantage, you can monitor your seedlings in the trays easily than in the field, and there is less incidences of pest and disease attack, as it will be easier for you as a farmer to monitor your seedlings in the floating trays, Advantage number 3, there is good crop growth. As you can see, cabbage is raised, seedlings raised in the field versus seedlings raised in floating trays. Those raised in trays are healthy as compared to those raised in open field. So we encourage farmers to use seedlings raised in floating trays, that is trays, versus those raised in open field. There are also incidences of pest and disease damage as you plant your seedlings in the open field. So farmers are encouraged to use those ones raised in float beds.